FUT hair transplant surgery from start to finish. If you've ever wondered what actually happens during a hair transplant surgery, you're not alone. Most people only see the before and after photos, but there's an incredible amount of precision, planning, and teamwork that happens behind the scenes. Today we're taking you inside a follicular unit transplant or FUT procedure to show you exactly how it works, from the donor strip to the final graft placement. Every successful hair transplant starts with a customized treatment plan. Before surgery begins, the doctor carefully evaluates the patient's hair loss, donor density, hair characteristics, and long-term goals. A natural-looking hairline is then designed to complement the patient's facial features while planning for future hair loss. Once the design is complete, the procedure begins. The donor area at the back of the scalp is numbed using local anesthesia so the patient remains comfortable throughout the surgery. Because the hair in this area is typically resistant to the effects of genetic hair loss, it provides an ideal source of healthy follicles for transplantation. The doctor then carefully removes a thin strip of donor tissue from the back of the scalp. This step requires both precision and experience to preserve the integrity of the follicles while maximizing the number of healthy grafts that can be harvested. After the donor strip has been removed, the area is meticulously closed with sutures. Proper closure is an important part of the procedure because it promotes healing and helps create a fine, well-concealed scar that is typically hidden by the surrounding hair. While the doctor continues preparing for the transplant, the donor strip is immediately transferred to the surgical team. This is where one of the most important parts of the procedure begins. Using microscopes, each technician carefully separates the donor tissue into individual follicular unit grafts. A follicular unit is the hair exactly as it naturally grows from the scalp, typically containing anywhere from 1 to 4 hairs. Working under magnification allows the team to protect every follicle while preserving the natural grouping of hairs. Throughout this process, every graft is carefully inspected, counted, and organized. To keep the follicles healthy and hydrated, the grafts remain in a saline solution until they're ready to be transplanted. Thousands of individual grafts may be prepared during a single procedure, and every one is handled with exceptional care. Once the grafts have been prepared, the doctor creates tiny recipient sites in the areas of thinning or hair loss. The angle, direction, depth, and spacing of these sites play a major role in achieving natural-looking results. This artistic portion of the procedure helps ensure that the transplanted hair will grow in a way that blends seamlessly with the patient's existing hair. Next, each follicular unit is individually placed into the recipient sites by the surgical team. Single hair grafts are often placed along the very front of the hairline to create a soft and natural appearance. Larger grafts containing 2, 3, or 4 hairs are strategically placed behind the hairline to build fullness and density. This process can take several hours, requiring patience, teamwork, and extraordinary attention to detail. Every graft is positioned one at a time to maximize survival and create the most natural results possible. Once every graft has been placed, the procedure is complete. An FUT hair transplant is far more than a surgical procedure. It's a combination of medical expertise, artistic design, and meticulous craftsmanship. From the careful harvesting of the donor tissue to the microscopic preparation of every follicular unit and the precise placement of each graft, every step is performed with one goal in mind: delivering natural-looking results that restore both hair and confidence. If you're considering a hair transplant and would like to learn which treatment option is right for you, we'd be happy to help. Schedule a consultation with Jernigan's Clinic to meet with our team and begin your journey towards restoring your hair and your confidence.